Let's talk about money. It's a topic that touches every aspect of our lives, from the roof over our heads to the food on our tables. It can feel complicated, even overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach, managing your finances can become a source of empowerment, not stress. Think of a budget as a blueprint for your money, a carefully designed plan that guides your financial decisions. It's a plan that tells your dollars where to go, ensuring that your money is working for you, not the other way around. At its core, it's simply tracking what comes in, your income, and what goes out, your expenses. Understanding this flow is the first step towards financial clarity. Forget the outdated idea that a budget is about restriction and deprivation. It's not about limiting yourself unnecessarily. It's about control, pure and simple, and making conscious choices about how you allocate your resources. A budget lets you decide what matters most to you, allowing you to align your spending with your values and priorities, so you can spend on what you love, guilt-free, and save diligently for your future aspirations and dreams. Imagine knowing exactly where every dollar from your paycheck is going, having a clear picture of your financial landscape. Rent, groceries, savings, and yes, even fun and entertainment. This organization removes the guesswork and anxiety that often accompany financial uncertainty. You're not just hoping there's enough left over at the end of the month, you're actively planning for your financial well-being. You're following a plan you created, tailored to your specific needs and aspirations. A budget isn't a straitjacket that restricts your movement, it's a tool for freedom, empowering you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. It's the crucial first step to building wealth and securing your financial future, paying off debt that may be holding you back, and reaching your goals, whether they're short-term or long-term. Whether you're earning your first dollar from a summer job or managing your millionth as a seasoned entrepreneur. Budgeting is the essential skill that separates financial stress and uncertainty from financial peace and confidence. It's your personal roadmap, guiding you step by step towards financial success and stability. Today is the perfect day to start drawing that map, to begin charting your course towards a brighter financial future. Take control of your future, one budget at a time, one conscious decision at a time. Remember, a budget is just a written plan that aligns your spending with your priorities, reflecting your values and goals. Let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. Why bother budgeting? It might seem tedious, restrictive, or even unnecessary. But the truth is, budgeting gives you real power over your money. It's about taking charge and directing your funds where they truly matter. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track, to feel like your money is slipping through your fingers. A coffee here, a subscription there, and suddenly your paycheck is gone, leaving you wondering where it all went. A budget shines a light on your spending habits, bringing clarity to your financial picture. It's like a financial magnifying glass, revealing exactly where your money really goes, often highlighting areas you didn't even realize. Ultimately, it reduces financial stress. It does this by replacing uncertainty with confidence, empowering you to make informed decisions about your money. You know your bills are covered, and that's a great feeling. Plus, you're prepared for emergencies, knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. Budgeting is your ticket to achieving big goals, the things you truly want in life. Like buying a house, traveling the world, or even retiring early and enjoying the fruits of your labor. By allocating money to your dreams every month, no matter how small the amount, you're actively building your future, brick by brick. A budget also prepares you for the unexpected curveballs life throws your way, unexpected car repairs, those dreaded medical bills, or even the possibility of job loss. With a dedicated emergency fund, those surprises become manageable bumps in the road, not catastrophic events that derail your entire financial life. Budgeting is your financial safety net, providing peace of mind and security. It's not just about tracking dollars and cents, it's about building the life you truly want, a life filled with purpose and financial freedom. So start budgeting today. Take control of your financial destiny and begin building the future you've always dreamed of. The power to shape your financial future is in your hands. Embrace it. Before you can budget, you need to know your true income. Start with your net pay, what you actually take home after taxes and deductions. Don't forget side hustles or freelance work. Average out irregular income over a few months for accuracy. Include all sources: interest, cashback rewards, even occasional gifts or sales. List every source, no matter how small. Add them up. This is your total monthly income. This number is the foundation of your budget. Knowing it precisely empowers you to make smart decisions. Guesswork leads to failure, clarity leads to control. Next, figure out where your money goes by tracking and categorizing expenses. There are three main buckets: fixed expenses, variable expenses, and savings or investments. Fixed expenses are predictable: rent, car payments, insurance, subscriptions with set fees. List and total these first. Variable expenses change monthly: groceries, gas, dining out, utilities, entertainment. This is where overspending often happens, so pay close attention. Savings and investments are just as important. Treat them as non-negotiable, not leftovers. This includes emergency funds, debt payments, and retirement contributions. Prioritize paying yourself first. Categorizing your spending gives you a clear picture and helps you find areas to adjust. This is the foundation for a budget that works. Now, how do you put it all together? Try the 50-30-20 rule. Divide your after-tax income, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Needs are essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, minimum debt payments. If you can cover these with half your income, you're on solid ground. Wants are non-essentials: dining out, entertainment, hobbies, travel. This 30% lets you enjoy life without guilt. The final 20% goes to building your future: emergency fund, debt payoff, retirement savings. Prioritize the emergency fund first, then tackle high-interest debt, then invest for the long term. This simple framework keeps your spending balanced and your goals in sight. Adjust as needed, but start here for a strong foundation. The 50-30-20 rule makes budgeting simple and effective. A budget only works if you track your spending. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to automate tracking and get real-time insights. These apps categorize expenses and alert you when you're close to your limits. Prefer hands-on? Use a spreadsheet to log purchases and monitor categories. Manual tracking can make you more mindful of your habits. The key is consistency. Check in at least weekly. At month's end, review your spending. Did you stick to your plan? Where did you overspend? Adjust your budget for next month based on what you learn. Remember, a budget is a living plan. Update it as your life changes. Consistent tracking is the secret to long-term success. Even with the best laid plans, mistakes can and will happen. It's part of the learning process when managing your finances. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Here's how to avoid the big ones, the common pitfalls that can derail your budget and set you back. Don't make your budget too restrictive. Leave room for fun, for those little joys in life, or you'll abandon it faster than you think. Be realistic and use the wants category for flexibility. It's okay to indulge a little. Set clear goals. Know your why for budgeting. What are you really working towards? Whether it's a house, debt freedom, or travel. Having a strong reason will keep you motivated. Write down your goals and keep them visible for motivation. Put them where you'll see them every day. Plan for irregular expenses. Set up sinking funds for things like annual fees or holiday gifts. Save a little each month so big bills don't derail you and throw your budget off track. Automate your good habits. Set up automatic transfers to savings and automatic bill payments. This reduces the risk of late fees and missed payments. The less you rely on willpower, the more likely you'll stick to your plan. Combine automation with regular check-ins and small rewards for hitting milestones. Acknowledge your progress and celebrate your wins. Budgeting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Make it a habit, and you'll turn budgeting into a tool for freedom and success.